Hi friends, it's Sunday setup time. But first, if this is your first time watching me, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gia. I'm a working mom who posts all types of videos, and I would love for you to join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below, as well as a little bell next to it. And for those already subscribed, welcome back. So it's like 5 o'clock in the evening. We had a birthday party today, which kind of like throws off my whole Sunday schedule, but this morning I was able to pick out the girls' clothes. We folded so many loads of laundry. Actually, my husband did all of the folding, and I was able to do Ava's hair, and I just did a quick style for Zara, and then when we get home I'm going to braid Zara's hair and put beads on it and everything. But before we go home, I'm going to stop back by to Costco. I just went to Costco and I uploaded my March Costco haul. If you haven't seen that video, you can tap this eye right here. But they had this shepherd's pie that they were giving out as a sample. It was so good, but I didn't get it because it was like $18. But then I'm like, listen, we can eat off of it for maybe 2 days, and then there was enough for me to use it, you know, for my lunch. And I've been thinking about it ever since I tried it yesterday, so I'm gonna go back and get that. And we forgot to get paper cups and paper plates, so we're gonna get that. And then you know, I've got to go home and just get the rest of our stuff done for the week. If you'd like to download my free Sunday setup checklist, the link for it is in the description box down below, and you can make your own list for free. But yeah, I'm just happy that I was able to pick out the clothes and at least get one head done today. Like I said, it's 5 o'clock at this point, and you know, you got to get the lunches ready. I got to pack their bag, you know, for my mom's tomorrow. If you guys didn't know, my dad does come and pick the girls up in the morning time to take them to school, and my mom gets them dressed and everything, so I have to pack their bag the night before, as well as their lunches and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm like starving though. Do you guys ever go to like a birthday party and then they only have like pizza for the kids, and then all the adults are just standing around hungry? That's kind of how it was for us. So my husband and I are starving, even though the girls ate pizza. So we might stop and get something quick to eat. But anyway, all right, let's get into Costco. If you're a longtime subscriber, then you know how I feel about gummy snacks. You know, my kids love them so much. I just want to make sure they're, you know, organic. Instead of Annie's, they have this new option now, even though I just bought Annie's yesterday. Organic gummy bears, the USDA certified organic. I like to look at the ingredients, and they look pretty clean. So this I may try next time, because you get 65 for $12.99, which is cheaper than Annie's. Alright, so here's the shepherd's pie. Now, they are expensive, right? But when I tell you, y'all, it was so good. I mean, so good. So I'm just gonna, to the point where I'm thinking about it today, the next day. So I'm going to get one. I'm probably just gonna get the smallest one though, because we really don't need that much of it. But these are really good. Guys, I need to go home because I'm borderline starving, and everything looks delicious. Like, I want to buy it. Like this organic arugula pizza, $13.99, but I would literally be the only one to eat it because my kids aren't gonna eat it, and neither is Charles. So it's like, yeah, come on, I'm not gonna, and I will sit and eat the whole thing, and I don't need to do all that. So we just need to go home. Quickly show you guys what we got: paper plates, paper cups, Eggos. I got this shrimp platter because I'm starving, and that's what I'm gonna eat in the car, and then that's gonna be dinner tonight because that takes like an hour to bake. So thank you for helping, baby.
You're welcome.
You look beautiful. I love your hair.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so we're back home. We spent a grand total of $64.22 at Costco. I had forgotten to get those Eggos, so I'm glad I got those because I just used the last two this morning. So now I'm going to make my shepherd's pie, put that in, and get ready to start Zara's hair. The shepherd's pie is done. It's been in there for about an hour. I'm halfway done with Zara's hair, so now we're going to stop and eat. Okay, so I'm packing the girls' bag for tomorrow. Zara's hair is done. This is her homework or after school work to do. And I put their clothes for tomorrow in here, and then also their iPads and some schoolwork that I want Zara to do. I'll leave this at the top of the stairs, and I'll take that down before the end of the night. Okay, Zara's hair is done. It's cute. Ava's here, so now I'm going to tie him up and get the girls in the bed.
Get the girls in the bed.
Turn around. Look at me. Cute. Alright guys, so the girls are in the bed, and honestly, I am pooped. Like, when we have a jam-packed weekend like that, it's like I feel so drained, and I feel like I don't get enough rest to go back to work on Monday. It's like I need one more day. That's how I'm feeling right now. My stomach is upset. I just am tired. The pot pie was actually really good. I'm just really tired. So I'm just gonna lay down right now and get ready to go to sleep myself. I'll do the rest of the stuff in the morning, like with their bag. I'll pack their lunches in the morning and make sure Zara has her homework workbooks in the bag for my dad in the morning. And then it's off to start another week. Like I said, we had a jam-packed weekend. We did our Costco haul, which takes like sometimes 4 hours at Costco. I'm not kidding. And then we had the birthday party today. It's like I typically like a day, at least one day over the weekend where we don't have to do anything or go anywhere, and we just didn't get that. I'm feeling kind of pooped, so I'm gonna hit the bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you can tap my picture up above, and you can also check out my previous video right over here, and all of my social media platforms all listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.